Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using Matplotlib. Now, in today's video, we'll learn how to create multiple charts in the same figure. Now, let me show you something very quickly here. This script will draw two lines on the same chart. So here we go. And this is called a figure. Now, what if I want two charts that go side by side on the same figure? Instead of one chart for the two lines, I want one chart per line. The way we can do that by using the subplot function. So let's go ahead and use that. And this takes three parameters, and here they are: 1, 2, 1. And I am not going to explain what they do. This is a homework for you. Go ahead and Google the subplot function and understand what these three parameters mean. Let's keep going. Then we will call plt.plot as normally as we do, and pass here x1 and y1. Then for the second subplot, because this set of points will go for the first subplot, now we need another one, subplot, and this will take 1, 2, 2, and then the second set of points. So plot, here we go, x2, y2. Let's run and see. And you can see now we have two charts on the same figure, and we can even add titles as this. So plt.title, this will be first, and this one plt.title, this will be second. Run, and here we go, first and second. And of course we can do all the customization we learned so far in this course to apply it to each set or each subplot in this script. So basically that's it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.